Visualization is a topic which highly affected me some time ago, and it still does today. 1 year ago I visualized myself owning a thing which I discussed in my last video, and this vision came true. A few years ago it would be unthinkable for me to see myself own things like this, because I didn't know anything about its power as I know today. What I did was simple. I sat down, took a moment to clear my mind, then I created an image in my head of me owning or achieving this goal. Then I took a pen and wrote down this goal. That's it. I pinned this paper as a reminder on a notice board which was right over my desk. So every time I was studying to school at my desk and I looked up, there was this reminder, which brings me to the second point: attention. There is an old saying which goes, where your attention goes, energy flows, and results show. So these notes and reminders brought my attention back to the original visualization, and that's it. That's the point. This is my story, my living proof of what visualization can do. Try it out and see what happens.